Ahe GC News, Mima Bobie Akwaba. Nasi when you subscribe to the channel that necessary over subscribe. What the other say over click it. The subscribe button. Now what barely notification. We understand DVD be upload. Also once I can be a few years now. What like video, don't like video. Mind give us a thumbs up. Now share my offer for so now when you be here now. Who ya airco. Afriyie and Sammy about Victoria, Inti and Seven. Besides, had the latest and hot news in Kwana, the Bremo in Jizemo.
Now, Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo-Addo, your bush and young company poison money. Here, now tell you, Kwana may man for about my boat trim. Here, Akufo-Addo, any question, quarters to class or your president. What is a closer never? Closer to me by issue statement say, hey. Ken Ofori Atta a divert to almost 5 million Ghana cedis from their bank account. CLOSAG.
Wow.
Yes. Last year or last 2 years. CLOSAG.
I think it's George Lowe. And Kojo Kyeremanteng NDC. Wait out. Shraj boss. What's a hobby? The police, the army, whatever. I don't know. So
Kwasi.
It's not Kwasi. It will be not all. I made some notes, but I left it. And like what you say, stakeholders now, Media Foundation for West Africa for Afro. Omunina tete ho. Nipa nwatwe. Hey, you are able to find out, say
George Lowe.
Okay, he was very blunt.
And Ibrahim Akase.
What do you mean, Kafe? No way, we answer. He say nipa nwatwe wu. And I know can say the judge for Miensa etia kosi Supreme Court.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
So if you are in this kind of democracy,
yeah, cry. Boys, boys, I want come baby ababeda. Ewa yaboabo. No at me as so many preferring crime.
Akose so
some your operation there. As a saw call for so kukumo mo gurum. We are not compensate to a mobusia for. Hey, go for yeah, more. What do you for no be jamo? I didn't know your chroma. I didn't be free to jump for. I didn't know your chroma. Mumbe Kirimo. Some assistant for Marco Kumomo. No, what you have mom compensation say 100,000. Obi ba wa shena man wa ya brantie. Ha! Na Bawumia o manso mano. Obi bet me refi obe for Kwaku Kuno.
Omukro yensuoma.
Yeah, yomfo. Na Brahman we are more organized here. Eya mo mfra ya mra ho.
You can only write.
Na yan mo the reason why we shouldn't allow anybody, whether NDC or MPP,
to destroy this country.
We shouldn't allow anybody. I won't sit behind a microphone. Look, me, yomfo, me asantini o. MPP buy na me mefu eya me da e dey ba asem je no an say omo trick bi NPP buy ya na nka ko din be 6 months obi abusa asu ko school on kasa on my Facebook din don be wan say o ha no abeka bibi ba kwa support Akufo-Addo
omo
busa wa asu say oyemi krom ni benye bia di Ada Yankmo Freeman Pong. Metanwa or common poor. No me carano.
Unim de omode ukrom pete edu na me.
Ebi Kajankuma o free me kro yenya ya bretu for. Into or papa na be the president. Or common poor and my faster farm kodum. Papa na be question man po. Sister. Politics ni yeah. Entafu you could job as a momo. He say the media na aba. No akeka sa. And comedy. But we are not fools. We are not fools.
The guy say, maybe na more for question. My Rollins abangu yeno. Akufo by. One of friends say, "Membrane engine asem me koya." Nepuku. Mami kasem cho. We ye nuano no. Aban no Rollins aban egu awie. Me cry the omde ye me the Rollins the ye me. Timpese yeah, press conference. Near catchy we are say.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Wouldn't just I didn't know this is what you said.
So the ano
the new aba. And I'm organize a press.
Obi na ade aya na entiase o. Sa de ka na mind this boy nya sante ko ni.
Me organize a press na I'm the command. Me na eja. Sammy so me die mu na ode ba. Ntia ni. And I feel na kwesi be kan in sem de. O say journalist bia nko true story na kama o true wi anu abeju sika. Then the Kwabena story no inki komu kama pioneer na true na we true.
Say nana.
So sometimes sa strategy ni bi dia enke easy. Say Jomfo be sorry anopa na be free journalist sorry menye. Hwe say Bank of Ghana story abaye ni abre. Na Jomfo she ofie na otwetwe ska. So I know a lot about him. But the only reason why I don't discuss people like him is because
you make me relevant.
Yes.
You must just forget about it.
So
me and some no can name the
leave them.
Nana. So obi atwabisika 62 billion Ghana cedis wedi. Hwe unim bi akokura we mu.
I just wedi kwa de akosi children so mama enyanke.
Debi wa fa free o man no mu ko.
Wa fa free o man nim de ko wa fa mi adwuma. He. Na ko jofo nti nka Akufo-Addo ye obusuani anka ho na poison mani wu. Hwe na utai ye kura na me manfa aba mebo tirim. Hwe Akufo-Addo any question quarter to class or your president.
What is a CLOSAG to me by issue statement say. Ken Ofori Atta divert to Musika 5 million Ghana cedis from their bank account. CLOSAG.
Wow.
Yes. Last year, last 2 years. CLOSAG. No more free leadership. No more. 5 million Ghana cedis, 50 billion. Almost Ken Ofori Atta and divert is cano. A statement. Google right now. Is there? Yeah. Say it to a maimu. And somebody says, let me see now.
Already, your friend is saying a Ghana commercial bank. 52
billion.
Collection account to say a buying net
says
what Ghana commercial bank says this should be our collection account. Into Obia where taxpayer go and pay the tax in this account. Or my discount. GRO, Ajijiscano, the Atosa account to him. No, my Viescano.
52 billion. A directive for Ghana commercial bank account mu bepe me ne ye hu ba bi eska Jomfo sanate
Sika the whole 4 years of
Akufo-Addo memo nkiase de example
John Mahama the 54 billion the whole 4 years no sa e-blocks sa Ghana bibia hu bia
esenka Jomfo we MPP bia esenka de example e wo kromu ananke ye tworo to say never again.
You are watching Jason News on YouTube.
They have so much
Hot
money
news
that
all time.
With impunity, they think that the money can fight for them. Me, I've always said time is the mightiest judge. I wouldn't want to judge any brethren. Me, I know all of them. When I see them, I just watch them because I know, say, they are a curse unto themselves. Because look, we are living on a spiritual land. Mubadi say, "Be on my way, no." Obia femu keke Akufo-Addo. Opa kobusa kwan ne papa fa so wuye kobusa kwan ne papa ne maame fa so wuye kobusa kwaku baako kwan ne papa fa so wuye
mudi e boni
mudi o my way boni anyame fa ho ncha wo da na nanom fa ho ncha wo da
se bank
kwan ya nkruma fa so je o my way si ho no opa di boni e wo wiase nyina ti o my way me se ho no me
akwaba
untimi
so
let me just give you a free roll. I'm so sorry.
Na uni meba no na mitie mo pa na nsem na mo kan I can clearly tell from your more passion no more exhibiting is like more a bit emotional was more can I say nsem we ha and I say and nsem it to me nkrofo na mo keka ho nsem no but uni say you think that mo te ha no mo asem na mo kan and you are speaking on behalf of many other people. Are in your opportunity to a microphone anymore and say no makasa. If Nansemu you get a chance to monitor airwaves in the media spaces, now share Vox Popper, Echo Outer. You can tell say there are a lot of aggrieved, disgruntled Ghanaians out there. See, a bufone umuno a chain nina. Unim Michia madam for Congolese ni bi o kan sem bi kire me na de bia asasem no ka kire me no o ka chem say he read a lot about Ghana na nani fiye ya or better like Ofi Congo ever visited Ghana in recent times. No, bisa me say or show media any America so need the way your leaders for no year na a shocking no just in the country mu corruption any ketashishani proye ati se chen bibia but oba Ghana no the same not no enya dia any de na se Kwame Nkrumah Ghana penny na o kan say be profound or say a politician or say you can drive the best car, live in the best mansion, live the best of life, and still at the same time, Jeniama ebebo amanfo no. Like obetimi anya sa na mani nyina ma ho ato. Odo Marco school papa, obetumi asidan papa, obetimi achele. Na at the same time no so what to me so ahwa amanfo no masetena mu so ayeyie.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Hot
news all time.
Uni Bobie ade mi won say these people are stealing left, right, center, back, forward, east, center, west, north. Just say no regard. Onim say obi ambu obi just say omo fum. Na last time na metena say onim say me analysis bi e. Hwe listo. Shad odie me ma assignment. Odie so en son training your investigation. Check the background of some of these politicians. Kwasho mumba. Odie se opa na bi se tunim se
we kwa gina na makobua
se o show mu ma
ko hwe mma ko
hwe se o show mu ma ubisa won se enti sa sika na mu se nyina yese e bobra ma nchiri ma bisa won se sa sika na mu wia no o mu wia pa de akohe like so wia
hwe se obi ti se Akufo-Addo nyame tua ne kanti ne ba be makura wanye enti se ne ma ne be ware ama mu kunu ma inherit Akufo-Addo sweat ohujimi.
Like you check auntie sasika we yo uni mi pese meni sa obi ma ayi fense madam Siliada pa it is sika bebrebe ya na oda mu odi ma hwan
oniba
see
and you say oyebonni o
they be like
nyame amano
maybe say like you ask yourself say mu wia ni na last time unim say madam Fobi makasa say mu ipen na ne nana former politician na na ye mu renovation mu fie ne nana na wu e no mu renovate fie because omo say omo to America so omo renting the place out unim say omo tutu old house no omo ko realize say sana ne nana no etu baby e form ya pack sika
ebe frufru
sika no so atwam
ebe sa frufru
da bi sika no nyenda de atwam Tese ni nana no apaki sika gua na sika no omko konkova ye no na ehye fom a odi carpet accesso e na wa ma ya tota asafa so asif se e ka fom ho owi a we nyina sika no akwa fom no odi ahye fom no wawu e na okọ. You see some of these things are ekoso no oti the rate at which are chrono ekoso ewo educational sector mu ekoso ewo security agencies mu ekoso ewo ministries ni various agencies any flags nanka ubisa won say bodyguard to Beijing bodyguard to event say empanifo omo aban mu ibisa won say omo pay yesen see miminim bodyguard abako a okama mpanyin ho a I'm telling you so kosi ekoshe estate sir we see ewa denta on any estate onu ye estate developer estates see with physical cash you ask yourself say na odan ya na ogade wo wiase mu ase o ye tamsa ni nyina Ghana fo esika mi wa no the ordinary Ghanaian no te wonu mu a citizen no te wonu mu o pa adwuma o tua ne senate contribution at the end of the day wa pension ni sanka ne sika ebi ni sanka ne tinka onya hwe no ene go for tete aban mu a che say omu wisika no onim me ade ba ko a me me ya ne say all jokes aside ya kasa yin na about government no me biggest challenge is media the media space no hwe onim say endra na madam fo lady bi air prompt me say onim say no catch me say na Mahama pa na niama na Akufo-Addo aban mu wei oye wei ana nke ye no Mahama time anka Mahama beda asino obisa me no and obisa me question strike me say no a real question we obisa me say osinka na Mahama time wa na ka boni say ye de beche no unim say na now time yi ni sika bebre a odebe isese sika odebe loro kwan sika odebe si classroom sika odebe develop ya mamanfo atom odebe ya kwan sika nkobetifu o so mamanfo atom no unim se o channel se sika nyina de tua ne media apparatchiks no under the so called guys national security ituba kono unim se this media guys na omo ye omo agenda mo push omo agenda no. These people every day just to whitewash and water down the impact and effect of bad governance, misgovernance happen under this Akufo-Addo government. Into social media, no pretending so nim the coso. And many of the media houses in Ghana today, all of them, nanka me say adia na Akufo-Addo abaim we aya wa fa no adi bebre wono mu a se ka pay Mahama time one come sure se ku see. Say can happen Mahama time we couldn't have forgiven him.
Akufo-Addo be kwa say soldier for echi say munye ku.
Because
we obi a wotimi ko frɛ doctor for say a doctor for bo condition of service inti munko strike. Na srebo ono ko strike. Na me ko kan ya o say me nko yam eyi. Me do mo ko court no. Kwabena no o say me nko yam den. O say me nko tete enro na me fansa. Srebo. Another Jimmy bako. Oh.
Unim. Etino ubisa ho say sanyama we nyina happen and nanado a obi ankasa. And unim, I'm only reflecting on the past because I was involved in the politics at the time. No, you know, unim say me send na me buti me fu Mahama like because in same ayete no na me buafu na me nteme wan say but him say sanyama na e happy and Mahama we couldn't forgive no happen 20 times obi anka ho asem enu na me da so bisa question ni say enti mama we for like enyasafo na yesi no mo kasa in the past no o table mo papa he praise before papa he Reverend Martey was a pastor. Martey was a day.
Martey.
Oh, he. Who say?
Women are glow. Almost way.
Women are glow. Now, me say women are glow for more on one. No more she team. Oh, team. Who on one? Yes, let's pray for Ghana.
Oh, mine is a
radina dia na buy and
my miss idea na buy and see. Eh? Oh, my.
I'm an oban pie. Who say? Or J microphone. Onu bisa Nyankopon se Nyankopon pa doga na man no de o man panyin boni te se Mahama ebra yen yi unim se nde the woman has lost her voice on kasa je say who de na do ayo yes gift dazi all these people are quiet in this country and we are going through this mess unim se enen nansi at TUC for strike action ya omo initiate ya omo say organize labor unim se Ghana Bar Association for ayomo so omo ante de ekoso Ghana asisi omo de omo nko pension da unim say omo ayomo afimende Ghana Bar Association all of a sudden na no dwom
by what type of bad
ni wono mo omo te boni ekoso ni na omo didi ame aye peche
and say I tonani ma teacher say judge tini bi fie ya totoma afọ mu dimika kwakope
judge for na
ko pen junction and I say hey they said I kase a judge for aden mutim nya ya ton a mo nya we se sem sa ban we o hwehwa mo hwe nko mu se aban sa se bi da o mo hwe nipa ko atimi kura o e ho afo se seliwa ne ya ton o ma ton mo man kasa mo ho na kanya asem a speaker of parliament ni fie a watim wasra no pa so we afo gina ho ye de ayi machine ba besi so chese be peke e da na mo pede wa ha asa de aton mo se e da na mi mitim mo ton eh e to ma be na chichiri ni sei
enti unim se medwe ho a na mebisa me ho se enti o man we pa ye koye anase ye bae
yo utibo mikao se GCD so na wo hwe no se wo subscribe ya na se over subscribe na wa like na fi wa share video do ma ofofro so enye bi na wo hwe wo so betimi a kire wadwen Afriyie ensem we na ho e wo comment box ni mo beti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.